Hey everyone, Rob from Archie and Me. So literally I'm exhausted. I've been doing night shifts the past couple of nights. Obviously I mentioned that in the previous video about raising some extra cash for our travels and that. So I've been working 9 till 6 the past couple of nights, and with this heat and that, I've been sleeping. So I was asleep earlier, but I just decided to get up and then strip out these wooden panels and then finish off the sound deadening before I go back to work later. So that's the plan today. Rip out the take out the panels and then sound deaden it, because I've got arrived this morning as well before I had a little sleep. All the roof vents have arrived, the door ladder arrived, most of the insulation has arrived, a few other things have arrived. So it's all starting to come together. So yeah, I'm going to remove the battens now. So that's majority of the sound deadening done. So I'll leave a link down below on the description about the link to the sound deadening and all that sort of stuff. But I'm going to stop now because I need to try and get some sleep again. But we've just used 40 sheets of sound deadening just to do the door side panels, bits of the roof. So I'll order some more just to finish off. Like I said before, a few things have turned up. So literally on Saturday morning, when I finish work at 6 in the morning, I'm going to drive straight down south towards Reading. We're having some new 16-inch alloys and some new BF Goodrich all-terrain tyres fitted as well. So fingers crossed that they'll be fitted on Saturday. A few other things that we've got the 2 roof vents that have arrived, so that's going to go there and there. So either Saturday or Sunday we'll fit them. The rear door ladder's arrived as well, so I'll get that fitted at some stage. And the recycled bottle insulation has started arriving as well, and I think that's it for now. And the silver foil wrap has arrived, so all I've got to do at some stage as well is go and buy all the Silatex, the wood, to raise the floor, 25mm insulation on the floor, the walls and the ceiling pretty much, and then double wrap it from there. So yeah, that's our plans. Tyres, roof vents, rear door ladder, start getting some stuff into the gaps and all that sort of stuff, and slowly get the insulation done. So that's it for today. So thanks for watching. It's not much of a video really, but thanks for watching. Leave us a comment, a like, a subscribe. I'll leave the links below and all that sort of stuff, but I'm gonna go and get some rest and then head back to work for a couple of days, and you'll see the next video in a few days once we've got the tyres, the ladder and the roof vents fitted. So thanks for watching, goodbye, and see you all soon. Bye.